Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kendra and you're watching KP Cam.
Look at that black girl. That black girl, look at that black girl.
Okay, y'all, so I've been waiting to do this video for forever and I'm finally dropping it for you guys. I have a special little treat. So I am featuring some dope music artists in this video, so definitely check out their music. Everything's going to be in the description. I'm also going to link all the clothing in the description. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but I'm definitely going to let y'all know where I got the clothing items from. Everything's definitely affordable, so definitely, you know, if you see something that's cute, sis, go ahead and look for it, period. Also, I wanted to tell you guys my specs. So I am 5'5", weigh 150 pounds. I usually wear a 5 to a 7 in pants, a small to a medium in tops, and I wear 8.5 in shoes. Just to give y'all a reference on the clothing that I feature in this video. But I don't want to hold y'all for too long, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Wait, she make it go. Wait, yeah. She make it go.
You the finest in this party. Tall like Beyonce, fade like Cardi. Getting money, that's your hobby.
I embody a 2-year-old in a sprint. Treat mics like cup filled to the brim without a lid. I white spill on my gifts. Your psyche represents carpet. Soaking my words, they will leave a stain. Make deep impressions on your brain. My artistry.
I was the nigga they hated on. Now I'm the nigga they waiting on. In the kitchen with an apron on. Right. I get this money in real life. You never know what it feels like. Take a chance like a real dice. Killing beats with a real mic. Keeping it popping like bacon. Grinding the shit to the AM. You niggas thinking I'm playing. Locking this shit like Jamaicans. I get this money in real life. You never know what it feels like. Take a chance like a real dice. Killing beats with a real mic. Keeping it popping like bacon. Grinding the shit to the AM. You niggas thinking I'm playing. Locking this shit like Jamaicans. I know you niggas been hating.
Shoot in the air like we starting a race. Put the fight to her face like I hit on with Mace. Lost no bitch, but she better, she thought. And give me your chain, yeah, ain't got an option. Ay.
What?
Give me your chain, yeah, ain't got an option.
I ain't got a what?
Too many hoes, you know that stay flocking. Tryna be all in the young nigga pockets. In the cut, throwing the ones that you watching. Wish you was us, but you ain't got an option.
Huh?
Wish you was us, but you ain't got an option.
I ain't got a what?
These niggas be sounding just like me. That little bitch, she won't be my wife.
Okay. It's time. Just rapping in my free time. And you gotta feel me. If you let your mind be your eyes to visualize what's inside, it's nowhere you won't. Shouts out everybody who just didn't wanna feature, cause I'm here now and it's sweeter knowing I ain't even need you. Listen, by definition, I'm what you would call a sleeper. Finna be a nightmare on your street. Might as well keep counting sheep up. I'm in my bag like some cheese puffs. Cheddar, Chester, cheetahs. Just stroke of genius like Frida. My aura's different like Rita. Music scene, that be my new arena. Can't locate your girl, me neither. If I had to guess, probably looking for some ice right now. Should be working her neck, new freezer. That all purpose. Scratch the surface.
If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're doing, sis, but I know you want to see more of me. Please go in the description and follow me on all my social media platforms. I post on there more than I post on here, and it be litty. Period. I got some good content coming for you guys, so please wait on it. Summer is about to start, and let's get it. Don't forget to check out everything in the description. Please, 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 please read the description. That's all I gotta say. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Deuces.